In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HubSpot email templates quickly and effectively. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each action and how it affects your email designs. So let's get started. First, let's log into your HubSpot account. Open up your preferred web browser and type it in www.hubspot.com. Once the website loads, click on the login button to enter your credentials and access the main dashboard. Having direct access to the platform is key because it allows us to seamlessly navigate to the email template section, which is our focus today. Now that you're logged in, navigate over to the marketing tab, which you'll find at the top of the page. Hover over it and click on email. This is where all your email campaigns live, existing ones and new ones alike, giving you complete control over your communication efforts with your audience. Once you are in the email section, decide whether you want to modify an existing email template or start from scratch. If you're looking to update a current template, simply click on the email you wish to edit. If you're creating something new, click on the Create Email button. This allows you to tailor your message to specific audiences, ensuring your content remains engaging and relevant. Now, you're inside the email editor, and this is where the magic happens. HubSpot provides a user-friendly drag and drop editor, making it easy for anyone to customize templates. Here you can effortlessly change text, swap out images, add buttons, and much more. Simply click on the element you wish to edit, and the editor will offer various options to adjust styles, fonts, or any other detail necessary for your campaign. If you're feeling adventurous and want to change the overall layout of the template, HubSpot has made this simple too. Head over to the Design tab, or if you want more structural changes, click on Change Template. This feature allows you to redefine your email's framework, which is perfect for creating more visually appealing or text-focused emails without starting all over from scratch. Finally, after you've finished making all the desired changes to your email template, it's important to remember to save your work. You can opt to save your changes directly to the current template if it's a simple update, or you can choose to save your design as a new template. This is useful for reusing successful layouts in future campaigns, saving you time and maintaining consistency in your branding. And there you have it. Editing email templates in HubSpot is a straightforward process, and now you have the tools and knowledge to make your communication as effective and visually pleasing as possible. Make sure to explore these options to their full potential, and your email campaigns are sure to shine. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!